How to insert WordArt in Google Slides. First, let's open Google Slides. In your web browser, simply type in slides.new into the address bar and hit enter. This will create a new blank presentation for us. Now what we want to do is insert some WordArt. To do that, let's first make sure we're on the correct slide where we want the WordArt to appear. Next, head up to the top menu and click on the Insert menu. In the drop-down menu, look for WordArt and click on it. Once you click on WordArt, a text box will appear at the top of your slide. This is where we'll type the text that we want to turn into WordArt. As you can see, your WordArt text box now appears on the slide. You can click and drag to move it around or use the corner handles to resize it to your liking. If you want to change the appearance of your WordArt, you can use the formatting options in the toolbar. You can change the font, color, border, and more to make it look just how you want. And that's it! You've successfully inserted and customized WordArt in your Google Slides presentation. It's a great way to add some visual flair to your slides.